In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and enable a MIDI controller in FL Studio 24. By the end, your keyboard or pad controller will be talking to your instruments in FL Studio, so you can play, record, and create without any hassle. Start by opening FL Studio 24 from your desktop or the Start menu. Once it's open, connect your MIDI controller to your computer using a USB cable. A direct USB connection usually gives the most reliable results, and if it's your first time connecting, give your system a moment to recognize the device. At the top of FL Studio, click Options, then choose MIDI Settings. This is where all your input devices live. On the left side, under the Input section, look for your controller in the list. It might show up by its brand and model name. Select it to highlight it, then click Enable. Enabling the device tells FL Studio to start listening for notes, knobs, and pads from that controller. Next, open the controller type drop-down. If FL Studio offers a specific preset for your device, use it. If there isn't a dedicated option, select Generic Controller. This choice works well for most keyboards and pad controllers because it handles standard notes and common control changes without extra setup. Turn on Auto Accept Detected Controller. This helps FL Studio automatically trust devices it recognizes, reducing the need to re-enable them later. If your controller has a sustain pedal, enable Foot Pedal. That ensures the pedal is treated as sustain, which is essential for realistic piano playing and smooth chord transitions. If your controller supports it, you can also enable Release Velocity. That setting captures how quickly you lift your fingers off the keys, adding nuanced expression to instruments that respond to it. If your controller doesn't support release velocity, it won't hurt anything to leave it off. Close the MIDI settings window. Now, click an instrument channel in the channel rack. Selecting a channel tells FL Studio which instrument should receive your MIDI input. With a melodic instrument selected, press keys on your MIDI controller to test the input. You should hear sound and see the MIDI activity indicator flicker at the top of the screen, confirming that the connection is live. That's it. Your controller is now properly set up and enabled in FL Studio 24. Enjoy playing, recording patterns, and bringing your